All right, we're going to take a look at Monday, December 22nd. So you can see the vertical bar on the left-hand side of the screen represents the Friday close at 133 and 79.3. It's actually 79.1. Just the line's a little off there. You can see that as the night went on, the pair went up, and by 3 a.m. here, we'll put it in the center, at the London Open, we were above the 30 pips above. So we were looking for a red candle to go down and yet remain above that 30 pip line. We got that right there at 310. And so we put an order in to go down. And I think you can see what happened as we go over to the right. The pair just kept going up. So our stop loss would have been 20 from there, or about 30, 134, 30.0. And you can see we easily broke that even before 7 a.m. So we were stopped out, and Monday was a loss, but we followed the method exactly. And that is our goal for December, is to remain focused and disciplined on using that one method and following it to the letter. So that is what we did, and Monday came out a loss. All right, so now we're looking at Tuesday, December 23rd. So on the left, you can see that the vertical bar is at the close of Monday night. You can read on the far left there, that's 134 and 62 pips. So as the night progressed, the pair went up again like it did the previous night and broke through the 30 pips above line here, just between 2 and 3. Let's stretch that out. And we can see that 3 we were above. So just like the day before, now at 3 a.m. we're above and we're looking for a red candle. We get it on the very next candle there at 310. So we put in an order to sell. So we would have put in an order to sell at the beginning of the next period, and let's just check when that would be. Missed it again. Here we go. Okay, at 315. So at 315 we opened at 135 and 08.9. So our stop loss here, let's just put that in, would have been 28.9. So right about, all right, 28.7. Okay, so that would have been our stop loss. So we were looking to go down here, and you can see that we did go up a couple of times, and then finally we went down. And you can see, so we were looking for, we said 089, so that would be 789. So let's go ahead and put in our take profit here as well. So that would have been at 789. Finger just is too shaky. Okay. You can see here that it's this line here, and we did break through around 10:30. So we put in before 3:30 and got out at 10:30, so 7 hours, which is a very long time. But we did get out with a 30 pip win, so we're happy about that. Now note that Monday and Tuesday trading opportunities were available both days. We went in both days. We won one day, lost the other day, but we lost $48 and gained $72. So a net win of $24, or 1% of our portfolio won in that 2-day period, just by having a little different loss and gain scenario. So this is exactly how we want things to work out. Our record was 1-1, but we're up a percent. Okay, so let's just see how Wednesday fared. And we've got a lot of lines on the chart now, but we're going to go over here, and we have our vertical bar here already. And let's just see if we can move some of these around. So this would have been the close, and I'm going to go ahead and just delete some of these other lines. I'm sure some of the lines will be pertinent, but all right. So We're looking for 30 above and 30 below this on Tuesday night going into Wednesday. So let's go ahead and draw those lines. So that would be 47. And then the line below would be 87. Okay. So here we have our Tuesday night close going into Wednesday. You can see that it made a move up there, but then went back and hovered around that New York close quite a bit. So even at 3 a.m. here on Wednesday morning, we were just too close to that New York close. So there was no trade on Wednesday. So a loss on Monday, a gain on Tuesday for an overall gain, and no trade on Wednesday. So that is it. Merry Christmas, everyone. We will see you again on Sunday evening, see how the rest of the week went, and talk about some other things in the week to go forward, which will be the final week of 2025. Until then, happy trading and Merry Christmas, everyone.